Hello, everyone. My name is Wilfredo Mosquera. In this opportunity, I'm going to share with you how we're going to use a Wix as a website or how to create and use the website for your learning environment. Okay. Um, the first step is to search the page, the website. It's a Wix, right? You're going to type Wix on Google, and then you're going to open this page in which I up down. And let's start. You click in beginning now. If you have account, you can uh, open your account. If you don't have any account, you can do the process between this icon. Okay, you click here and you start to create your account. But in my case, I have my account. Okay, my account is Mosquera, your email, Wilfredi at, at Gmail account. Okay, and my passport. Wait a minute. Okay, now if you're going to start you create or design a new site, you only click here, create new site. Yeah, and then you're going to choose what kind of website do you want to create: business, designer, blog, only store, whatever if you want. Okay, in this case I gonna choose business, for example, and then you're going to choose a template or create your website with a Wix editor. Click in choose a template. Yeah, and wait a moment. This is a model if you need to create your presentation, what you choose that you want. In this case, for example, I'm going to choose this, and you click in edit. Okay, wait a few minutes because it's heavy this page. This tool is very important. Uh, the new technologies because we can learn a lot and provide activities for your students or teachers or whatever people, okay, whatever people in this case. Okay, this is the template or this is the main home or the main page. His name is home. um you can edit, double click, and you edit this page. If you are double click, for example, edit text, and you write, in this case, for example, English class. Yeah, this is the name. So another is only one example, right? In this text setting box, you can change the setting. For example, you select the word or the expression. You choose another format. For example, in this case, I'm going to choose heading 5. It's different. Or I change with the heading 2. Okay. Also, you can change the font size too. If I, okay, the zoom up or the zoom down in this case, right? If you want. Another option is to change the color. In this case, for example, the color, you click here and choose a color where you want. If you want green, yellow, blue, or whatever color, right? You choose, for example, yellow. Okay. And then, right, uh, The bold, you can change the bold, the italic, and the underline too, right? You can choose that. Another option in this website, if you're going to use another page, this is the main page, but if you're going to add another page, you click, right? Menu and pages, good. And this is the main if we are working in this page. But in this option, we add page, right? Add page, a new page. And this you put the name. For example, in this case, the main page you can change or rename. Click in rename. No? English class. It's an example, right? And click in done on done. Right. Very good. This is the main page, and another page you can rename. For example, class number one. Yeah, class or lesson one. Okay, and so if you need to add a sub page, you only click here and click in sub page. Yeah, this is the main and this is the sub page in this case. If you're going to work in whatever page you create, you only click in another on the page. For example, lesson one. In this lesson one, this is the page, okay, and this is the main page too, the horizontal menu, right? You can visual the menu. Now, if you are going to add this tool is very important because in this tool you click here and you going to add image, gallery, text, video, okay, music, and so on. One example, if you are going to add a image, you click here, yeah, a picture, and click in my upload picture. If you have saved in your computer, you can click there, yeah, and wait some minutes, right, and start adding your file in this moment. Um, is okay, and you click in upload media, you need to remember that you have the picture or the file in your computer. You add from your computer, for example, one photo, yeah, click in whatever photo, yes, and they wait a minute, and here is the picture, right? This is this process for do that. Okay. Um. Okay. Save here. It's very important that you are saving your changes because if you need to stop the process and continuing later, you need to save this site. Okay, and name the site. In this case, it's English class. English class. Okay, I'm safe and continuing. No more, right? Okay. And if you have to or want to add one video, for example, you click on video and different apps or different websites to add video. If your video is in your computer, you do the same process as a visual, right? But if the video is on YouTube, for example, you click here, YouTube, right? This is the template, but you need to change the video, right? You change the video click on change the video. Okay, and you search the video in YouTube and click, oh, okay, search video is one example. For example, tutorial, tutorials, okay, and search. This is some examples. You choose your video, okay, and double click and click in this page. In this icon is add, right? You click add and you add your video. This is the same process in different tools in this case, right? If you have to change the video, you do the same, right? Okay, when you do the whole process, you match the color, you add folders, you add to documents, you save your work, yeah, you click on done. If you have to edit, sorry, the name, you only write here, edit, and change the name or rename, and click on done, right? Then, when you finish your work, you click on publish. When you click on publish, you need to pay attention or to record what is the link, okay? Because you need to search that website with the link, right? And then you click on that. Perfect. You publish that information. They update the information too. Very, very good. This is that's all you need to explore. The idea is to explore this page. It's very, very useful for your work. If you are an English teacher, or whatever teacher, if you are a businessman, you need to publish your tools, you publish your products, you publish your service by this website, right? That's all. Thank you so much for your pay attention to me. God bless you forever.